Okay, welcome back. So in this one, we're going to have to take the code from 3.1.6 and copy and paste it here. Now I've already gone into 3.1.6, which you can see right here, and all I did is I pushed Control A and then Control C, then I went back to our assignment right here, and then I did the same thing, Control A, that's select all, Control C is copy, but I want to paste this now, which is Control V, and it pastes all this code in here for me. This looks pretty good. And so now if I go back to the page which I had before, which was empty, and I run it, it now has the web page that I had from before. Of course, we're going to be adding some styles to this page, at-risk animals that I eat. Yeah, remember before we did a background color, which you can see on the page, and then also we did a font size for the body of 18 pixels, which we can see, I don't know, maybe it's the unordered list, but whatever. In any case, I'm ready to continue with this assignment, and the next thing that we're going to be doing is giving color to the text in the level 1 and level 2 headers. Now, again, just like we've seen before, you can go in here to level 1 header, and you could say, I'm going to give it a style equals quotations, and then you could say, I'm going to give it some color like this, but again, we're not going to do that this time because it is going to be a little bit faster to just do it up here, even though all that we're really saving in this case is not having to put in or type in the word style equals and then quotations. However, for the level 2 headings, 1, 2, 3, 4 level 2 headings, it's going to save me, well, a fair amount of time on this. So we're going to start with the level 1 header, H1, and that's lowercase h, open fancy brackets, and then closing fancy brackets. We do need that closing fancy bracket. And now that I'm working with a style for my level 1 headers, I'm going to give it a color, which is indented there. Okay, so COLOR colon, and then we're ready for the color. You choose whatever color you want. In fact, I'm sorry, for credit on this assignment, you're going to need a specific color. Again, I'm just going with something fairly random on this one. And now that I've got my level 1 header, let's go and see what this looks like by reloading. And that may not look like it changed very much, at-risk animals I eat, but it did change just a slight little bit. You can kind of see the difference between the pigs, which are in black, and then now this, I guess, just a kind of a greenish color there. So with my level 1 header working, now I'm ready for my level 2 heading. So I've got H2, open fancy brackets and closing fancy brackets, and now I'm ready to, inside of that level 2 heading style, we're ready to put in some color. So COLOR colon, and then again, choose whatever color you want. Just any random color is always nice, but of course in this assignment, they're going to force you to use a specific color. Figure out what that color is. You have to look at the assignment and then figure out the color and then put it in. So this is the color that I've chosen right here. Let's go and see what it looks like when we run this program. So I'm just going to reload, and again, it didn't change very much. I got pigs, cows, chicken, and fish, all of my level 2 headers. I changed at one time from the style sheet instead of having to go into each of the tags individually and pretty much change them all to the same color. Now if you want them to be different colors, of course you can come in here and do that. We're not going to do that for this assignment, but you could. However, this is all we really need for this assignment. Again, here is the code that we put in. So this is all the code that we added, and it's inside of the style sheet, just like you can see right here. But if you need all of the code, I'll show that as well. So there's the top half. And there's the bottom half. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.